Hey guys, what's up? This is your girl Kandai Karen Mangena and I'm back again with another video. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Also leave a comment down below if you enjoyed watching this video. So in today's video, we're going to be making this necklace and what you're going to need are your 9 to 10 beads, right? The packet, because we actually on this necklace I used less than a pocket. Then you're gonna need your big needle and your thread, that is the natural hemp cord. I will leave a link down below to where I ordered this. Yeah, and then your scissors, right? So to start, you're gonna start by threading your needle. Yeah, so make sure that the thread is quite long because you don't want it to finish in the process. So after that, I'm going to be doing the herringbone stitch. I've made several videos on a database on how to do the herringbone stitch, so please do watch those. I will leave them down in the link below. Right, so once that is done, yeah, so once that is done, then I'm going to start doing the stitch, that is adding 2 beads till I get the desired length that I want. And the desired length is normally your neck size or your client's neck size, so that's the measurement that you use. So you measure right around your neck, so when you get that desired length, then you're good to go. So you're going to make 2 of these, right, because you need 2 of these. So yeah, that's what's up. So yeah, I've been offline for a while now, like off YouTube, because I was just going through the most, I guess, mentally. Yeah, the mental, freeze and stuff. So yeah, but I'm back. Anyways, you're going to continue this process now, and these are the 2 that I was talking about, the 2 rows that I was talking about. So now you're going to connect onto the next, right, and then reconnect onto your second. And then when you get to your second, you start inserting your beads, right? So in this part I put 25 beads, but you can make it longer, you can make it shorter, depends on what you want, depends on your style and your taste. So now that I'm done inserting the beads, I'm going to, oh sorry, I'm rushing, right? So here, just insert 25 beads just to make it suitable for you. So you can alternate with this, play around, be creative about it. That's the whole point. So now that I'm done, I'm inserting onto the third row, my thread onto the third row, then onto my fourth I come out, and then I continue this process. So now on the second row, on the second tube, I'm inserting 32 beads. But like I said, this is not like the rule of thumb. You can change, alternate. You can have them 25 throughout, you can have 32 throughout, you can have long, short, long, short, long, short. I'm doing short, long, longer, you understand? Long, longer, longer, you understand? So that's what I'm playing around, that's the design, but you can make it up to your taste. So I'm just going to be repeating this process throughout, but I'm just going to be increasing. Like on my rows, on the first it's going to be long, then the second longer, then the longest, then longer and longer. You get it? So the rest is just self-explanatory on the process. So like I was saying, I have been MIA, on YouTube. That's mainly because I guess I was just going through a lot, and I was just so, as a creative, sometimes you just go through the motions. You're like, okay, I can't really think clearly. My creative mind is not really working properly. I have nothing, I have no inspiration, no motivation. So I'm like, yeah, So that's why I decided to take a break. And also the data charges they just went high in Zim. Making videos and then uploading, it just costs a lot. And YouTube doesn't really pay much. So you get it? So if you would like to sponsor my data, like if you would love to say, hey Karen, can I partner with you? Can I sponsor your daughter? I would love that. Like, I would honestly appreciate that. I wouldn't mind. Like, hey, hello. But I'm just saying, so you can just let me know down in the comments below. And hey, I'm your girl. Anyways, as we continue, with the video. I'm just like I was saying, the rest is self-explanatory, but yeah, you guys can see. I hope you guys can see the pattern that I'm following. So don't mind the lighting. Like I said, like the game is bad here. It's really, really bad. Electricity goes, and now you're in the dark. And I was like, you know what? I need to film a video, and I'm gonna do it today. So whether there is electricity or no electricity, I'm gonna use my torch. I'm gonna use the natural lighting, and video has to come out. And I'm like, for how long am I gonna be in this camp? You get it? So your girl is gonna be posting a whole lot of videos, a whole lot of content. I am back officially and for good. Okay, I'm not taking a break for some time. I'm gonna be uploading back to back. So do subscribe, do like my videos, do watch, just support your girl. I'm back, guys. Please do watch the videos. And if you can't buy me data, okay, the least you can do is to watch the ads, the YouTube ads that you normally see on my channel, because when you watch the ads, I get paid. And when I get paid, I get money for data. And when I get money for data, I can upload more videos. You understand? So please do that. That's how you can support me. Okay? Thank you so much. So yeah, that's the process that I followed till I got to the end. So if you notice, like at the end, I was short of a row on one end, so I just had to, to balance it. So just make sure that your rows are, the number of beads on your rows are matching, because I think I miscounted and I thought it was okay, but it wasn't. But I managed to play around that and just get it to match. So please be careful of that. But yeah, I'm back and I'm excited to be back, and I'm going to be making a lot of your requested videos. I'm sorry I was offline, but yeah, now I'm back and I'm back with a bang. Yay, that's what's up. So as I exit, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Leave a comment down below if you enjoyed watching this video. Expect more videos. Like, hello, you're gonna have to expect a lot more videos than this. Yeah, okay, I'm back. Thank you so much, and may God bless you, may God increase you, and kudos.
munokona hamukundikani oh munokona hamukundikani oh yeah yes oh